आनन्दमय विग्रहाय हेमाभिदिव्यै छविसुन्दराय तस्मै महाप्रेमरसप्रदाय चैतन्यचन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्यचन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते। चैतन्यचन्द्राय नमो नमस्ते। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिषे नमः। जय जय श्री चैतन्य जय नित्यानंद जय द्वैत चंद्र जय गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सो टेम्परेचर का कॉल बैक आया फिर इनको इसको सर्विस किया। Okay. So yesterday we read till here that so we were seeing that how many expansions of Krishna are there, and which expansions, which form of Krishna enters in which universe, and their further expansions, and what are their names, and how the 12 months of the calendar in the Vedic system are named after the different names of the expansions or the Chaturvya Vishnu form. So we'll read further. In the spiritual sky, all the planets dominated by the Narayan feature are eternal, the Vaikuntha planets. The topmost planet in the spiritual sky is called Krishna Lok. See, the name is also very Krishna's name is given just like we have names outside our door. If it belongs to our Lokamohan Krishna Prabhu, so the name outside will be of course this is the initiated name, but so we'll have the name outside the door that Mr. So and so, Mrs. So and so. So just like that, Krishna's planet is also named after his name, Krishna Lok, and that is the topmost planet in the spiritual sky. This is, we are talking of the spiritual sky, and there also there is the topmost planet, which is divided into three portions. So the Krishna Lok, the topmost planet, is divided into three portions. There is Gokul, there is Mathura, and there is Dwarka. In the Mathura portion, the form of Keshav is always situated. He is represented on this earthly planet in Mathura, India, where the Keshav Murti is worshipped. Similarly, there is a Purushottam form in Jagannath Puri in Orissa. In Anand Aranya, there is a form of Vishnu, and in Mayapur, the birthplace of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there is the form of Hari. Many other forms are also situated in various places on the earth. Not only in this universe, but in all the other universes, as well as these, sorry, not only in this universe, but in all the other universes as well, these forms of Krishna are distributed everywhere. It is indicated that this earth is divided into 7 islands, which are the 7 continents, and it is understood that on every island there are similar forms. But at the present moment, these are found only in India. Although from the Vedic literature we can understand that there are similar forms in other parts of the world, at present there is no information of their location. These forms of Krishna are distributed throughout the world and throughout the universes to give pleasure to the devotees, which is the main business of the Supreme Lord. Krishna's main business is to give pleasure to the devotees, and the devotees' main business is to give pleasure to Krishna. It is not that the devotees are born only in India. There are devotees in all the parts of the world, but they have simply forgotten their identity. These forms incarnate not only to give pleasure to the devotees, but to re-establish devotional service and perform other activities which vitally concern the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Other activities does not mean other mundane activities. Other activities which are concerned with the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Some of these forms are incarnations mentioned in the scriptures, such as the Vishnu incarnation, the Trivikramak incarnation, or the Nrsimha incarnation, Vaman incarnation. In the Siddhartha Samhita, there is a description of the 24 forms of Vishnu. Yesterday we saw all the forms, we read about all the forms of Vishnu, the 24 forms. And these forms are named according to the position of the symbols in their four hands. So the conch, the shell, the conch shell, the disc, the club, and the lotus flower. These are the four symbols that are there in the hands of Chaturvyaha, the Vishnu form. Now, in different universes and different locations, the position of these four symbols change, and based on which symbol is in which hand, the names are given. so so these forms are named according to position of the symbols in the four hands of Lord Vishnu. When describing the positions of objects in the hands of the Vishnu Murtis, one should begin with the lower right hand and then move to the upper right hand. So, whenever in the bracket, when we were reading yesterday, we saw that Srila Prabhupada has mentioned, and the name has been given in, sorry, the symbols have been mentioned in the bracket. So, so here Srila Prabhupada is very clearly mentioning that how we are supposed to identify which symbol is relating to which hand. So it always begins with the lower right hand and then to move to the upper right hand, then to the lower left hand, and finally to the then to the upper left hand, and then finally to the lower left hand. So lower right hand, upper right hand, upper left hand, and then lower left hand. In this way, Vasudev is represented by club, conch shell, disc, and lotus flower. Pad, Padma Shankha, so Gada, Chakra, Padma Shankha, or Gada, Padma Shankha, Shankha, and Chakra. Shankarshan is represented by club, conch shell, lotus flower, and disc. So now what does this mean? Shankarshan is represented by club. That means club is in the lower right hand. Conch shell is in the upper right hand. Lotus flower is in the upper left hand, and disc is in the lower left hand. Similarly, Pradyumna is represented by disc, conch shell, club, and lotus flower. Aniruddha is represented by disc, club, conch shell, and lotus flower. In the spiritual sky, the representations of Lord Narayan are 20 in number and are described as follows. So in the spiritual sky, Lord Narayan is represented. There are 20 representations of Lord Narayan. Now the names are given and the position of the symbols of Lord Narayan are given. So which expansion has which symbol in which hand, that is being given here, described here. First is Sri Keshav, lotus, conch shell, disc, club. Narayan is conch, lotus, club, and disc. Sri Madhav is club, disc, conch, and lotus. Sri Govind is disc, club, lotus, and conch. Vishnu Murti is club, lotus, conch, and disc. Madhusudan, disc, conch, lotus, club. Trivikrama is lotus, club, disc, conch. Sri Vaman is conch, disc, club, and lotus. Sridhar is lotus disc, club, and conch. Rishikesh, club, disc, lotus, and conch. Padmanabh, conch, lotus, disc, and club. Damodar has lotus, disc, club, and conch. Purushottam is disc, lotus, conch, and club. Achyuta, club, lotus, disc, and conch. Narsimha, disc, lotus, club, and conch. Janardhan, lotus, disc, conch, and club. Sri Hari, conch, disc, lotus, and club. Sri Krishna, conch, club, lotus, and disc. Adhokshaja is lotus, club, conch, and disc. And Upendra, conch, club, disc, and lotus. We are not, we don't need to memorize any of this. But here, these details are being given so that nobody can really befool us just by showing some magic tricks, some mystic yoga, some Babaji. Some Babaji, you go to that Babaji's peer, or you go to some temple, and there your desires are getting fulfilled, and then people start claiming that this is God, this is God. All that is nonsense. That is why all these detailed explanations, detailed description of the Supreme Lord has been given. This detailed description about his expansions have been given. And here, Sri Hari, Sri Krishna, they are the expansions. They are not the original form of Lord Krishna in Vraj. So this is the four-handed Vishnu form, the expansion of Lord Krishna. But the name is Krishna, Sri Krishna. According to the Haya Shirsha Pancharatra, there are 16 forms, and these are also named according to the positions of the disc and so on. The conclusion is that the Supreme Original Personality of Godhead, Supreme Original Personality of Godhead is Krishna. He is called Leela Purushottam, and he resides principally in Vrindavan as the son of Nanda Maharaj, Nanda Baba. Yesterday we saw that Krishna's desire is, uh, or the mood that Krishna has in a particular place, that becomes the pastime. The mood of Krishna in any particular place is his pastime. So when Krishna's mood is like the son of Nanda Maharaj and Mother Yashoda, then he is Krishna in Vrajadham. Then he does Damodar Leela. When his mood is like the husband of Rukmini Devi, the husband of Satyabhama, the husband of the 16,108 wives in Dwarka, then he is the Kshatriya prince, the son of Vasudev and Devaki Mata. So the mood of Krishna becomes the pastime. So he is called Leela Purushottam. He means the original personality, Krishna. He is called Leela Purushottam, and he resides principally in Vrindavan, not one step outside Vrindavan. And he resides as the son of Nanda Maharaj. It is also learned from the Haya Shirsha Pancharatra that there are 9 forms protecting the two Puris, known as Mathura Puri and Dwarka Puri. These 9 forms are Vasudev, Shankarsana, Pradyumna, Aniruddha, Narayan, Nrsimha, Hayagriv, Varaha, and Brahma. These are different manifestations of the Prakash and Vilas forms of Lord Krishna. This Narsimha Hayagriv, this reminds me of the Mangalarti we sing in the morning. So after the Guru Ashtakam, Samsara Davanam, we also sing this what is it? Oh Krishna. Every day we sing it. Vibhavari Shesh. So there is a line. Narsimha Vamana Shri Madhusudan Brajendra Nandana Shama Putana Ghatana Kaitava Shatana Jaya Dasharati Rama. So in the first verse, this Vibhavari Shesha Aloka Pravesha Nidra Chhadi Utho Jiva Bolo Hari Hari Mukund Murari Ram Krishna Hayagriva. So this Hayagriva reminded me of this our morning Mangalarti. Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu next informed Srila Sanatan Goswami that there are different forms of Shwamsa as well. And these are divided into the Shankarshan division and the Incarnation division. The Shankarshan division includes the 3 Purusha avatars, Karanadakshay Vishnu, Garbhodakashay Vishnu, and Shirodakashay Vishnu. And the other division comprises the Leela avatars, such as the Lord's incarnations as a fish and a tortoise, Matsya avatar and Kurma avatar. So we'll read about the 6 incarnations and much more. Krishna willing, tomorrow we'll continue. So thank you very much, dear devotees. We'll stop here for today. We'll pause here for today. We'll not stop. And Krishna willing, we'll continue tomorrow. Yes, Prabhu, you have a question?
Yeah, not question. I just want to say that I listened to your kirtan in the Mayapur. What a wonderful, eh? Actually, it melted my heart. Beautiful. And you and I think সাথে মোহন প্রভুও ছিল না? ও
Yes.
হ্যাঁ, ওর আওয়াজটা আমি বুঝতে পেরেছি, তারপর আবার অশোকের কাছ থেকে আমি কনফার্ম করলাম এটা তো মোহনের আওয়াজ মনে হচ্ছে, বাট বিউটিফুল, হ্যাঁ, বিউটিফুল,
That is
বিউটিফুল।
mercy of Guru Maharaj that we got this service. So this is a service that Guru Maharaj has very mercifully engaged me. Yesterday,
বিউটিফুল।
Mohan, I took Mohan also for the service.
অ্যান্ড তোমার আগে যে ভজনগুলো ছিল সেগুলোও ভালো,
Yeah.
মেল ভয়েসে তোমার আগেও
Oh,
তুমি
yeah, yes, yes,
হ্যাঁ,
yes, yes,
ওগুলোও
yes,
খুব ভালো,
yes.
ওগুলোও খুব ভালো।
The-
বাট এনিহাও আমার মানে তোমাকে জানালাম খুব ভালো লেগেছে। ইটস এ রিয়েলি, ইট ইজ ডিভাইন অ্যান্ড হার্ট মেড।
Thank you, Lord.
খুব ভালো লাগলো।
Please bless me so that I can continue serving in a servant mood, because Maya is very strong. So please, all of you, please bless me with your loud Haribol in the end, because your blessings are very important. Blessings of Vaishnavas are very important.
হ্যাঁ, আমি যখন তোমার ভজন এবং অন্য মানে অন্য ভক্তিগীতগুলো শুনি, ইট ইজ ইউ হ্যাভ এ ওয়ান্ডারফুল সুইট ভয়েস, দ্যাট ইজ ওকে, দ্যাট ইজ এ প্রফেশনাল, ইট উইল বি বিট, বাট বাট যে মানে হৃদয়ের হৃদয়ের ভেতর থেকে তুমি যে বলো না, দ্যাট ইজ ভেরি ডিভাইন, that is very very divine, and it attracts me so much, I cannot describe in language. In word it is very difficult to express. It is very good.
Thank you, Prabhu, because sometimes this also inspires. At the same time, too much glorification is also all glories to Sri Guru and Gauranga.
It is মানে তোমার আমার হৃদয়ে যা এসেছে তোমাকে বললাম, ইট ইট ইজ নট দ্য পারপাস অফ গ্লোরিফাইং ওয়ান, নো, আমার হৃদয়ে আছে যেটা বললাম তোমার কাছে এক্সপ্রেস করলাম।
Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhu. वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। अनन्तकोटि वैष्णववृन्द की जय। श्रील जय पताका स्वामी गुरु महाराज की जय। जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय।
जय
जय गौर प्रेमानंदे। हरि हरि
नित्यानंद करुणामय माता जी
बोल।
की जय। हरि हरि बोल।